In 1885, Carl Benz completed the production of the first gasoline automobile. In 1896, Bridget Driscoll stepped off a curb in London, UK, and onto history by being the first pedestrian fatality due to a motor vehicle collision. The coroner investigating her death had stated that he wished never to see such a tragic incident ever again. Well, since then, until 2010, 550,000 pedestrians have lost their lives due to motor vehicle collisions in the UK alone. The vehicle that struck Bridget was a Roger Benz wagon, which at the time was appropriately termed as a horseless carriage. In 2018, Elaine Herzberg was the first cyclist fatality due to an autonomous vehicle, which today we term as driverless cars. Now, the United Nations estimates that 1.25 million fatalities occur due to road traffic accidents, half of which involve pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. According to Parachute Canada, one of the most common causes of injury-related deaths to children aged 14 and younger are motor vehicle collisions. Now, injury patterns have been described in literature since 1965 until 2015, of which a particular injury pattern that was identified in 1971 is still being described and taught to date. What is surprising about this injury pattern is that it has been misapplied to children over the last 3 decades. And it is still being taught to health professionals, to trauma management experts till date as the injury pattern that children suffer. Now, my research is not only going to assess the validity of these trials, but to identify patterns of injury based on the type of road user, based on the type of vehicle, based on the type of speed of the vehicle, and impact zones for the modern vehicular fleet. My research will assist doctors in clinical trauma management, will assist the police in collision reconstruction, will assist coroners and pathologists in medical legal death investigations, and provide recommendations to Transport Canada in respect to motor vehicle design, particularly in the mitigation and prevention of serious injuries. Thank you.